You may be wondering what I'm about to place on this table. Maybe it's another rock to paint. Maybe I'll do another stupidly large avocado decoration, because why not?
But anyway.
Yep, let's do a Pringles can. So this didn't go all as planned. I meant to use two colours, red and green, but I only ended up using green. But still, it worked out, so stick around. So what stuff do we have available to decorate this Pringles can? We've obviously got newspaper. We don't want paint on the table. Paintbrushes, another paintbrush, sticks, a Sharpie, some paint, some more paint, and even some more paint. And obviously a Pringles can. It's convenient this can is green because it will go better with the colour I'm using. I attempted to draw a heart or something just for some extra footage I could put in the video, but I can't draw to save my life, let alone on a curved surface. So first things first, I'm going to make a gap about a few inches from the bottom of the can just so it's a bit easier to paint. Now that's done, I'm adding what was supposed to be the divider on the grooves of the can. And now's the exciting bit, let's add the first coat of green to the can. Is it weird that I was actually looking forward to just painting a Pringles can, just one solid colour? I feel like a 50-year-old. While I apply the paint, I'll be meaning to talk about something to do with my channel. So obviously if you watch YouTube, you've seen most creators have settled with their own category video, like Beluga, and that's just a random example, but you know what I'm on about. I, however, haven't. There's just so many things I'm interested in doing, like Discord videos, a good meme every now and then, and no one can blame myself for doing at least one compilation in their time. But if you guys want to help me out with this, let me know what sort of stuff you want to see from this channel. Today's weather wasn't too bad, so I left it on the side to dry a few times. To cover all the text and the massive face with a moustache, I applied about 3 coats of green, all in 15-minute intervals. Eventually I achieved the paint being completely opaque. You couldn't see too much text or barcodes or anything through it. Admittedly, you can still see a bit of the logo, but there's really no beating that aesthetic part of it. So how about that? I've now got a place to store all the things I make my little artworks out of. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like and subscribe, wear your seatbelt, and goodbye.